Ask Doug, what does out-of-pocket maximum mean when it comes to my international employer group insurance? Ask Doug, questions and answers about employer group medical insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your international employer group medical insurance, best for you and your family. What does out-of-pocket maximum mean when it comes to my international employer group insurance, Doug? That is a great question, Katherine. Here is a general definition of out-of-pocket maximum. These are expenses that the patient or the patient's parents can expect to pay themselves before the insurance company covers the rest of the 100%. Katherine, every international medical insurance company has their own formula for how the out-of-pocket maximum is calculated. Here are the 4 major components that may be used to calculate out-of-pocket maximum expense. Not all companies count all of these components. Deductible, coinsurance, copays, international, U.S. in-network, U.S. out-of-network. Katherine, you will also have the total amount of your out-of-pocket maximum in U.S. dollars, international and U.S. in-network, which is shown on your schedule of benefits. Find out more information on your international employer medical insurance options at gninsurance.com.